Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Change in supply. The supply of a commodity may change to change in price or due to change in other factors. Movement in supply curve. This is caused by change in supply due to price alone. Expansion of supply. When supply of a commodity increase in its price, it is called expansion of supply. It is shown by upward movement of supply curve. Contraction of supply. When supply of a commodity decrease on fall in its price, it is called contraction of supply. It is shown by downward movement of supply curve. Shifting of supply curve. This is caused due to change in factors other than price. It occurs due to various factors like change in income, change in taste, upgradation of technology, etc. It makes the supply curve shift either leftward or rightward on the original supply curve. This is called shifting of the supply curve. Increase in supply. When supply of a commodity increase due to change in any factor other than price, it is called increase in supply. It is shown by rightward shift of supply curve. Factors for increase in supply. Improvement in technique of production, fall in price of substitute goods, fall in cost of production, favorable changes in government policy, fall in the expected price of good. Decrease in supply. When the supply of a commodity decreases due to change in any factor other than price, it is called decrease in supply. It is shown by leftward shift of the supply curve. Factors for decrease in supply. Obsolete technique of production, increase in price of substitute goods, increase in the cost of production, increase in the expected price of goods, unfavorable changes in government policy. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.